Hey, Caroline here from AppsFlyer. In the next few minutes, I'm going to walk you through 3 super useful ways that you can use Chat GPT to market your app. We'll cover creating ad copy for your campaigns, optimizing your App Store listing, and researching your competition. But before we dive in, make sure to check out the link to our Chat GPT guide in the description below. It has a ton of additional ideas on how to use AI to market your app and over 50 prompts to get you started. First up, let's discuss how to use Chat GPT to create ad copy for your campaigns. Keep in mind though, that effective copy tells a compelling story while speaking to the human experience. This isn't something Chat GPT can replicate, but with the right prompts, it'll help you do most of the heavy lifting. So let's begin. To craft compelling text, you're going to want to set the stage by describing where your copy will live, what format it should be in, the key messages you want to get across, who it's for, and what action you'd like that person to take. Bridging that all together, you might have a prompt that looks something like, generate a list of 5 Facebook headlines about a 20% off winter sale to get millennial female shoppers to purchase clothing by downloading my app. Use my brand tone and voice, which is funny and direct, and limit each headline to 10 words, plus use emojis. So now I'm going to take that prompt we just made, open ChatGPT, and pop it in. Let's see what comes out. So we have winter sale alert, 20% off on all apparel, download now. Don't let the cold cramp your style, download for 20% off. Slay the fashion game with our winter sale, 20% off. And millennial babes, 20% off, winter sale now, download our app. And last but not least, bundle up with 20% off on all winter apparel, download now. Not bad. I think that we can definitely figure out a few different ways in which we can tweak potentially the millennial part or even the brand tone and voice, but this is an amazing start and it's something that we can definitely work off of. Next, let's explore how you can use ChatGPT to optimize your App Store listing. In an increasingly competitive app marketplace, ASO is a crucial part of your app marketing mix. And by using ChatGPT to write better descriptions and highlight the benefits of your app, you can improve things like visibility, reach, and even conversion. So let's start with keywords. There are a bunch of different ways to approach this, which you can check out in our guide linked in the description below. But right now, we'll explore a common use case of mining your competitors' descriptions for keywords. For the sake of this example, let's imagine I'm an app marketer for a shopping app for buying and selling used clothing. I need to figure out which keywords should be in our App Store description to give it the best chance at getting found. First thing I do is go to the App Store, or ChatGPT, but more on that later, and type in something like buy and sell fashion or buy and sell clothing. I then copy-paste the descriptions of the top listings and prompt ChatGPT with something like, take the following App Store descriptions from my competition and create a list of 20 keywords that will help users find my shopping app. So, pulling that together, let's take that prompt and these descriptions and put them in the ChatGPT. Let's see what it says. Here are 20 keywords that could help users find your shopping app. What I'm seeing is fashion, trendy, influencers, secondhand, marketplace, sustainable. These are all words that I would definitely associate with the app that we were talking about before, and definitely an amazing start when it comes to ASO for your app. Last but not least, let's dig into how you can use ChatGPT to research your competition. Competitive analysis is essential for helping you understand things like how to make your app stand out, what types of features you should offer in your app, and how to make money. Taking the previous example of my buy-sell clothing app, if I want to understand how my competitors are approaching things like positioning, messaging, monetization, and even in-app engagement, I'd type into ChatGPT something like this. Who are 3 key competitors in the buy-sell clothing market in the US for shopping apps? And how do they compare in terms of who they target, in-app features, and monetization? So let's see what that looks like in reality. I'm going to pop that prompt into ChatGPT and let's see what comes back. Interesting. There are several buy, sell clothing shopping apps in the US, but 3 of the key competitors are Poshmark, Depop, and ThredUp. Here's a brief comparison of each app in terms of their target audience, in-app features, and monetization strategy. So super interesting. Chat GPT is basically just mirroring back my question, making sure that it has all the key points, and now we can see it's generating answers. I see Poshmark, very interesting. App targets a broad audience. It looks like there's a lot of information on the monetization model, which is super cool. See that it monetizes by taking a commission off each sale, with fees ranging from $2.95 for items under 15 to 20% for items over 500. That kind of information is priceless, and just think about how long it would have taken to actually research that on your own. For more ways on how to use ChatGPT to market your app and more than 50 ready-to-use prompts, make sure to check out the link to our guide in the description below. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe for the latest app marketing content. That's it for now. See you next time.